Didn't take long for them to rebuild the skylights here for stuff in the mall. Love the way it looks. Also used to be a 2-level McDonald's here where the Harry Rosen is. P5 is still locked. Wow, you close very slow. Yep, the scaffolding has moved a bit north to the center. Look at that, everybody's busy in their offices. Hard working. I swear it was like last year or a year and a half ago that I was able to access parking level 5, but closed off because they're still working on this. Don't know what they're doing, but it's been taking like a couple of years. Good view of the Hudson's Bay store. I could go over there because that's looking over Yonge Street, but nah. Yeah, they have P5 there. Oh, look, she left. Oh, this one has a chime. Before we head down, just look, everybody in their offices. It's a Wednesday afternoon. Cool. It's a hell of a view. And these elevators have always been Otis's. Oh, look at that. Are they working on new office space there? I think the only way to get in there is to go in through there. That's the Cadillac Fairview head office. It's really not that busy here, that's for sure.